Today, I share with you how to make bread the easiest way without using much ingredients. You can also turn the same bread into a very lucrative business. Hello, creative bangers. Let me show you how. All right. Start by adding instant yeast in a bowl, sugar and warm water. Once that is done, go ahead, take your time and mix till they are well combined. All right. Once that is done, move in with flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. Once that is done, I am going to add milk flavor. Then I will move in with some salt and curry powder. Have you tried baking bread with curry powder? Oh my word, you need to give it a try. Once that is done, go ahead and mix to combine very well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, once the dough is about to come together, I transfer to the work surface. You can move in with butter or margarine depending on the one that you have. Please take your time. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth popping dough just like this one. Look at the color. That is because of the curry powder. And it smells so good, trust me. Transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to ferment. 30 minutes later, voila, look what we have. It has doubled in size. Look at that. Now I'm going to deflate the dough. Without kneading again, I will transfer into my well-greased baking pan. Yeah, I'll be using this round baking pan. Take your time and arrange the dough to be in the same shape with your pan. Shout out to you, Joseph, watching from Kenya, Joy from Lagos, Ami from Togo, Olufumilayo watching from Osogbo, and Lucy all the way from Malawi. Whoops. I'm glad you all loved the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right. After arranging the dough, I cover again. Keep in a warm place to proof for the second time. And this is what we have. At this point, you can bake just the way it is and brush with butter after baking to give it a shine. Or you can brush with a beaten egg. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. I baked for 35 minutes and there we have it. Look at that. Very simple and easy. Super, super soft. Now, allow to cool down for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and take it out of the baking pan. Very simple and easy. Looking like a cake, right? Do you love this banger? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Both the upper and the down part of it is very soft. I love it. It smells so amazing. The flavor from the curry powder took this bread from level 0 to 100. Give it a try and get back to me. Not too much ingredients, but it tastes so good. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia! Look at the color. Oh my word. Super soft. All right. Like I mentioned at the beginning, you can as well turn this into a very lucrative business. I opened the inside. You can see what it looks like. Go ahead and enjoy with tea or coffee. Now you can go ahead and cut in your desired sizes. But before you do that, please allow the bread to cool down properly. Did you hear what I said? Allow it to cool down properly before packaging. As you can see the steam inside the plastic bag. This can make the bread go bad so quickly. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.